Hi, how are you? I hope you're doing great. If you are a lazy person like me, then you need to see this. I have built a system in make.com that will automatically post on your social media platforms. All you have to do is just give it a content like keywords, and it will take the keyword and it will generate the content, and also it will generate an image for your content. Then it will post on all of your social media with the image and the generated content. The system will do this thing automatically every day. So without any further ado, let's dive in. By the way, this can be a little bit of tricky, so stay focused. So this is our system in make.com. Let me break it down step by step. First of all, we have taken a Google Sheet module. In the Google Sheet module, we have chosen was new rows. Why? Because we need to check a specific row in our Google Sheet. In the row or in the Google Sheet, we will update our keywords. So let me show you the keywords. This is our sheet, and inside this sheet, I have a few keywords for the testing purpose. And as you can see, it's doing great, and these keywords have already done the job, and it's saying done. Now, for this system to work, you need a Google Sheet. And I know you can create a Google Sheet on your Google Drive, right? Again, for the first module, you need to select Google Sheet. Then let me show you. If you go to Google Sheet, then you will see watch a new row. Here it is, watch new rows. Just click here, and if you click here, my Google account is already connected, but if you don't connect your Google account, then you won't see this functionality. Now let me break it down what this functionality is doing. First of all, you need to connect your Google account. If you click add, then you can see a sign up button here like this, and if you click on this sign in with Google button, then you will be redirected to a pop-up where you can sign in with your Google accounts. After giving the permission to make.com, you will see these functions. Now let me clarify what these functions will tell you to do. First of all, we need to clarify which path or which location we are getting the sheet. Now let's select search by path, or you can enter manually here, but let's go for search by path. Then my drive, then just choose your location. If you click here, then it will say all of the locations in your Google Drive. Just select the location and then select your Google Sheet here. Then if you have a header, let's go back to our sheet. This is the sheet, and we have a header. The header says keyword and status, right? So for this purpose, we need to select yes, we have a header. And if we have a header, then the header row will be A1 to Z1. Like the first row will be the header. Then it will ignore the header. It will count from the second row. And for the limit, if you want to get 2 keywords at a time, you can select the limit. So let's select the limit to 1. If you select the limit 1, then it will grab only 1 keyword, and it will go to the next module with only 1 keyword. Now this module finished, done. Now the next module would be ChatGPT. So what will be ChatGPT doing? ChatGPT will generate a content with that keyword. So let's go to the ChatGPT and ChatGPT Whisper DALL-E. Let's search here ChatGPT and click ChatGPT, and then create a completion prompt GPT-345. If you click here, then it will ask you to give your API key. Now where can you find your API key? Your API key will be on your dashboard of OpenAI platform. So it's platform.openai.com. I will add the link in the description. You have to add a credit to use this platform, because previously it was given you like $18 for credit, but right now OpenAI is not giving any credit, so you have to add a credit. The minimum credit will be $5. After adding your credit, you have to go to API keys, and here create a new secret key. And if you click here, then you can name your API key like this one, and then if you create a secret key, then it will give you an API key. Then you have to grab the API key and go back to your make.com, and you have to give your API key to this OpenAI module. And once you have completed the API key completion, let me click the add, and if you click here, then you will see you have to enter your API key. And for the organization ID, if you right click here, then you will be your organization ID account. From here, just click select all the organization ID, and then paste your organization ID here and API key here, then select OK or save. If you click save, then it will automatically connect with your OpenAI platform to this make.com. And after the compilation is done, then you will see the functionality like this. Now let me clarify what this thing is doing. First of all, you have to select the GPT. So let's you have to select create a chat compilation, then model. You have to select the model, which one is best fit for you. So you can go for the cheapest one like the mini, or you can go for the highest one like highest powerful one, GPT-4. It's up to you. Just select any of the GPT model. Then you have to select how many tokens or how many characters you want to give or you want to get from the GPT. So you can select any of them here. If you are getting a blog post, then you need to at least give it like thousands of tokens, right? Now let's select the GPT-4. If you select your GPT-4 or any of the model, then the next step will be you have to give it a prompt. For the prompt, just click add message, and for the role, give it a add system role, and for the system role, just make it a system admin. So for the system admin, let's say that, hey ChatGPT, you are an expert blog writer, article writer, content writer, or copywriter. Let's write it. You can give it a prompt according to your needs. I'm just showing you the system. You can set it up on your own or on your need. So the next message would be for the user. So the user command would be like this: generate an social media post for this keyword. And which keyword? Let's select the keyword. If you click here, then you will have your Google Docs or Google Sheets keywords here. So let me show you on my end here. This is the system I'm running. So if I go here ChatGPT, and the system is saying that, hey system, role system, and say you are an expert content writer who creates engaging posts for social medias, and user role is user, and generate a 150 word social media post about the keyword. So if you click any places here, you will get the details from your Google Sheet. So my Google Sheet is already connected, so I'm seeing the rows. The first row is keyword, second is status, third one is image link. And if I go to my Google Sheet, then it says the same keyword here. Now we need the keyword. So it's saying generate a 150 word of social media post about keyword. The keyword is in the Google Sheet. You got it? Then you can add many more prompts, many more comments for the better result, right? Then click OK. Now the ChatGPT part is complete. So right now it's getting the keyword from Google Sheet, then it's going to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is getting the keyword from Google Sheet, and it's generating a content social media post with that keyword. I think this part is clear, right? The next module is for tracking. What is tracking? Tracking is, as you can see, a status. This status will be shown as done, whatever keyword is already done creating. So this is for the tracking purpose of your content. So like if you have hundreds of keywords, which keyword is done already, which keyword is not done already, you can check it here. So let's go to our module here, and in the module you can select like Google Sheet, get the module Google Sheet and update arrow. Just click here, Google Sheet and update arrow, this module, right? And in the module, if you go to the module, then you will see my sheet is connected here, like here, my drive, and then the sheet is connected. Then sheet name is sheet 1 and row number is row number. So if you click here, then you will get the details from the previous sheet, and the previous sheet is this one. This ones we need the row number, the first one, and then the row number we have values, so we need to update the second row, that is status, and status will be posted as done whenever this module is completed. Seems a little bit of trickier, but stick with me, it will be a lot easier at the end of the video. So right now we are getting data keyword from this sheet, then ChatGPT is generating the content with that keyword, then this module is doing the done thing. That means this keyword is already done, generated content, and then it will push the done to our sheet here. As you can see, this done is here. That means 3 of the keywords is still pending. And then the next module will be ChatGPT again. For what? For our Stable Diffusion module for generating image. So if we go to this ChatGPT, then again it's the same thing. Complete a prompt, and in the prompt you have to select the model, again the same thing. Then the message system will be system message will be, you are an expert image generator prompt engineer, right? Then the user will give a prompt like this: generate an image generation prompt for the social media. Why this module is need? Because I tried to use the first ChatGPT prompt to generate an image, and that was terrible. It did not get it right. So I have to generate a prompt for the image module or image generation AI. So what will it do? It will take the instruction, and then it says generate an image generation prompt for this social media post. Where we are getting the social media post? It's already on our ChatGPT fast module. So if you go to here, or if you click, sorry, it's not running yet, so the data is not here. So if you click here, and in here the messages, you can see we have set the details as our result. So if you go to ChatGPT fast prompt, then you can see the result is our social media post. You can see here, this is the social media post that is generated by the previous ChatGPT module, and we are getting that result and we are giving that result here in this module, and this module will generate a AI prompt, AI image generation prompt with that result. That means that social media post will be generated as a image prompt. Got it? Now for the Dropbox module, it can be a little bit of trickier because Dropbox connection, I was like frustrated to connect this thing. So let me show you what you need to do to set it up. So just take the Dropbox module, then select upload a file. Here let me show you Dropbox and select upload a file here. And if you select upload a file, you have to connect your Dropbox. Just click add and save. And if you click save, then it will pop up your Dropbox connection and you have to connect it. After making the connection, you need to select the folder. So I have created a folder in the Dropbox, and that is SD, or the name of the folder, and then the file type is stability generated image. And the next module is a little bit of trickier. You have to get the shareable link for your uploaded files. So get a Dropbox module, click here, upload and share files. Just Dropbox, upload and share file. Here create, update a share file. Now if you click create, update and share file, and inside the file, then you have to select, don't select like folder path, select a file or folder, and then select type will be file, and the file will be the display path. So where you will get it, the path will be the previous module. If you go to the Dropbox previous module, this is the previous module. Just select path display, this one is from our previous Dropbox module, and this one will get you the generated image name, right? And once you have the name, then you can get a download link. That's it. There is no complexity, but if you are beginner, then it can be a little bit of complex. That's why I'm showing you this. The next module is our router module. This is not a module, this is the thing that if you want to send the same data to multiple routers, then it will be generated automatically. Then the first module is our Facebook page. Click here, connect your Facebook page. You can't post your Facebook profile directly because Facebook API has some limitations. So just connect your Facebook page and then select your Facebook page. If you log in with your Facebook profile, then you can see your created pages inside here. So I have connected my Facebook, and then I can see all of the pages I have here listed. Now I have to select the page that is already I need to post. Then the photo, upload a photo and select stability AI. That's pretty much easy. And for the caption, now you have your image. For the caption, you have to select the image, and for image you need to go to the first ChatGPT module, this one, and then select result. This is the result, or this is the generated content from your ChatGPT, and this will be the caption of the image, and then click OK. The next module will be in Instagram. It's a little bit of trickier. Let me show you. So we have connected our Facebook, and if your page is already connected to your Instagram account, then select that page. Like my page is already connected to my Instagram page, and I'm selecting that page, and automatically that page is connected to my Instagram profile. Now here it was a little bit of complex, but I did it. I figured it out. So for the photo URL, we need to get the download URL from our shareable Dropbox module. So just click here and go to the Dropbox module, and here just click download URL. And this download URL is the URL that is downloadable image is in. So let's select it, and for the caption, again for the caption, go to the first ChatGPT module and select result. That's our captions or our post. Select OK, and then the LinkedIn module, again connect your LinkedIn account, and then for the file stability AI, and for content again the first ChatGPT modules result. That's it. Just click OK. And here for the Twitter, it has a little bit of like modification. So for the Twitter or X, you can't post a lot of characters, a lot of words. You have to minimize it, or you have to summarize your text. You can't post a long post like Facebook or Instagram on Twitter. So that's why we have another ChatGPT module, and this ChatGPT module will do the summary. So we have selected the GPT-4 module. You can select your own model, and then system, you are an expert copywriter for Twitter. Another role will be make the data given below short enough to post on Twitter, right? So we have given the data. This data is from our first ChatGPT module result, that is our post, and maxed compilation token will be 50, because if you give more like 100 tokens, then it can post on your Twitter. Twitter has some limitation again. And if you click OK and just connect your X profile, just connect here, and they have a lot of data for connection if you have any problem, but I think you won't have any problem. So for the text content, you can select your generated content. Now this result is not for the first ChatGPT module result, this is the last one. For this one, they like the last GPT one, that is our result. This will be the summary of the result, and this is the text content. Now for the media IDs, we can't post like binary data or the download link directly. I tried many ways, but I did not able to post on X with photo, but I will try to figure it out. So for now we can post only text, and click here. Now our module is ready. Let's delete everything here, delete modules, and let's run it. Let's see how it goes, and click run once. Now here it's taking the data from our Google Sheet, it's generating content here. Yes, after generation, it's going to the sheet and posting as done. Then again ChatGPT, again stable diffusion done, then Dropbox links, and posting on Facebook pages. Posting done on Instagram, posting done on LinkedIn. And here I have error because I have tried many times, like in 24 hours, and X or Twitter has some limitation for their API. So for that you can't do many requests for the Twitter. Right now I can't post Twitter because I have tried many times. So all of the 3 platforms here is done posting. So let's go to our first of all, let's go to our Facebook. This is our Facebook page. This post was generated 2 hours ago. Let's refresh it, and as you can see, a few seconds ago another post is generated, and this post is about welcome to part 24 hour enlightening series. Now let's go to our sheet, and this sheet you can see the ChatGPT 24 part is done. It was done like a few seconds ago. Then I'll go to our LinkedIn. If you go to a LinkedIn, then again profile here and go down, see the same image, welcome to part 4, the same image, same post. Let's go to Instagram, refresh, and as you can see the same post, like welcome to part 24. As you can see, every platform has done completed, but for the Twitter we can post it. If we refresh it, it's not posted because we have did a lot of like prompt or a lot of trials, right? So I tried many here, and I deleted a lot of data for this testing purpose. And if you go to our API, then you can see that our billing here, we have deducted some tokens or some dollars, and for the stability AI, if you go to billing, then you can see we have lost some tokens. So that's pretty much it. You can make this automated. So I have done this for 6 hours. So every 6 hours it will run and it will post automatically on my social media platforms. So that's pretty much it. I think it will help you to automate your social media content, or if you are creating a brand that is a niche specific, then you can use this system to post automatically on your social media platforms. It's really easy and it will take a few hours to set it up, everything. Again, all the links will be in the description. check the link and build everything according to your needs. Again, thank you so much for watching. Just subscribe so that you don't miss me. I will build system like this regularly. Just stick with me. You will learn a lot of things. I need a suggestion from you guys. So do you think I need to set up a school platform so that we can build a community, we can get the clients together, we can help each other to grow, and personally I can help you guys to solve your problems? Do you think we need to set a school platforms? So comment below.